So this is the cheapest 180 hertz monitor on Amazon. I got a package. Let's unbox it. It's actually not that heavy. Okay, so it might not be heavy, but it's pretty big. Let's see what's inside. I got my trusty knife here. This is really sharp, so let's be quick. Ooh. So we got a monitor. This is the cheapest 180 hertz monitor on Amazon. So let's see what's inside. Where's the monitor? Oh, there it is. You got the monitor. Ooh, that's nice. Power adapter, HDMI cable, and the stand. So I won't be using the stand. I'm just gonna mount it to my my arms, my monitor mount. So as you can see now, it's fully installed. Let's go do some gaming.